So Arithmos, they're superfine body oils. They're micro-batched, hand-blended in Melbourne. I use the finest natural, organic and fresh botanical oils. Not only they deeply nourish your skin, but also provide mood-enhancing aromatherapy benefits. Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm the founder of Arithmos. So our core value is definitely using the highest quality of the natural and organic ingredients. I believe that the best things that we can feed our skin is to use the best quality of product. I'm a cosmetic chemist and I formulate the product myself. Not only do I formulate the products, but I also manufactures the product end-to-end in-house. The reason I reached out to Out in the Cloud was that I had an agency to help me to build my website. It got to a point where it was just impossible to maintain my own Shopify platform. So I reached out to Out in the Cloud to ask them if they can help to not only revamp my website so I can do it, maintain it myself on an ongoing basis, but also I want that creativities from Out in the Cloud to help me to make it really look more attractive. So my website now looks so much nicer and better than before. From a font perspective, from a consistency with the color scheme, and it's just easy to navigate, throughout the whole entire website. And not only that is, the layout, the design, they're just really perfect. And I've got so many great feedback about my website, and it looks so professional. So Out in the Cloud to make it really easy for me to focus on my business, because they make the whole process very easy. All I have to do is just raise a request, and someone from the team will look at the request and make changes from design perspective or the website, functionality perspective, so that I can focus on my business. I'm 10 out of 10 very satisfied with my website. Could not be happier.